Hey guys, this is Ryan from Wisdom Labs, and I'm going to be telling you all about how to use the group's dashboard page coming from the Wisdom Labs group registration plugin for LearnDash. It's a pretty simple process which allows your group leaders on your site to manage groups in a much better fashion and in an easier way. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have a site over here with the group registration plugin activated on this site. So as soon as the site is activated, you can essentially see this page called the groups dashboard that will be auto created on your site. So let's just get into this page and see what shortcode we have used. So as you can see over here, we have this shortcode placed. That is essentially the shortcode for the groups dashboard. You can enter this shortcode on any page, and the groups dashboard will appear on that page on the front end. In case this page was not auto created, kindly add this shortcode to any of the pages on your WordPress, and you're good to go. So let's go to the front end and check how the groups dashboard enables your group leaders to manage their groups in an easier way, and let's see all the functionalities over there. So as you can see, I'm on the group's dashboard. I am the group leader of this group called Ryan Test. So essentially, all the groups that I am group leader of will be shown over here on this page. Essentially, for the group leaders to access the group's dashboard, we have provided a button called Proceed to Groups on the WooCommerce thank you page as soon as an order is completed. I have spoken in another video about how to create a group product. So as soon as that product is purchased by a user, that user automatically becomes the group leader of an auto created group on your backend, and then the user can access this group's dashboard page to edit or manage their group. You can also send the purchaser or the group leader the link to the group's dashboard by triggering an email from WooCommerce emails for completed orders. So that is also a way. Or you can also place the group's dashboard link among your menu items on the header. Okay, so let's go right into the group and see how we can manage it. Okay, so this is my group's dashboard page inside a group. I have selected the group from the main page, and I wish to edit this group. So I'm group leader of this group called Ryan Test. I have the edit group details setting over here from where I can edit my group name and also add an image to this particular group. I can also essentially see the courses included within my group. And I have these three tabs over here called the enrolled users tab, the report tab, and the group code tab. All these three tabs do different things, obviously, and let's check each of them one by one. The enrolled users tab essentially shows me a list of all the people who have been enrolled inside this group, and basically shows me basic details about their email ID and their name. And I can enroll a new user from here in order to add him or her to the enrolled users tab. So let's do that real quick. So as you can see, I've added the details of the person I want to enroll in this group, and as soon as I hit submit, we will check under the enroll users tab for this user. So as you can see, this user has been enrolled in my group after clicking on this button and adding the details and hitting submit. So that's all about the enrolled users tab. The report tab will essentially allow me to select a course and check reports for that course. Those reports are in terms of how many steps have been completed by a particular user. And if I click on this arrow, I can see basic quiz statistics. If I want to view detailed statistics on this quiz for this user, I can just click on this icon, and I'll be able to see the detailed statistics of this course. I've spoken about the group code tab and how it works in another video. Make sure you check that out, and let us know if you have any questions. So this is how the group's dashboard works. If in case you have any kind of questions or queries about this, do reach out to me at helpdesk@wisdomlabs.com, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you.